Focus is correlated with balance. Think about doing yoga, a tree pose, or think about doing an exercise where you're on one leg. And what is often recommended is that you focus on a point in front of you. The same thing applies with your business. If you're looking all over the place, you're going to lose your balance. You want to know what you're focusing on. So what is the end goal? Start with the end in mind. Les Hewitt had the acronym for focus being follow one course until successful. That's really great advice. So you want to set your plan, you want to have your niche, and then you want to follow one course until successful. So you want to put the blinders on to all sorts of different other distractions as much as possible. There's always going to be distractions, so it's so important to guard your focus. I was once told, guard your focus like it is a suitcase of $1 million. That is such great advice, because if you have your focus, you can create $1 million. If you don't have your focus, you cannot keep your $1 million. It is that important. So by having that focus, that allows you to be balanced. You'll know what you're supposed to do when. You'll know when is it a good opportunity and when is it not a good opportunity. So focus is important, and notice how when you're focused on your goal, what you are intending, how that creates balance in your life. If you like this video, feel free to like and comment and subscribe. And if you have questions, feel free to pop them in the comments. I love to hear from you. Be good for you.